when I'm looking at it, is there any way that I can kind of gauge this is kind of towards new roof territory, or is this kind of towards we might have a patch?
Yeah, so like missing shingles here and there, maybe some flashing that's not really attractive, like around the chimney if it just doesn't look that great. You know, any vents that maybe aren't kind of crooked or not placed right. Those are repairs. Those can be pretty much all the time easily fixed. But if you're seeing those shiny shingles, missing shingles over the whole roof, those dark streaks, that's probably going to be a full replacement.
Okay. Well, that is your one-on-one on roofing repairs and roofing issues from Bondoc Roofing in San Antonio, Texas, with
Know what to look for.
Yes, and MHN Property Management, just to kind of help you out, guys, and make sure that we're doing well by everyone we represent, and be glad to help you with all your property management referral needs and also all your roofing needs.
All your roofing needs, repair, replacement, we got you.
Yeah, they do a lot of ours. Thank you. Signing off. Bye.